Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be going over yesterday's topic. So what did we talk about yesterday? We talked about a potential bull run, and that's exactly what we got here. In the past 24 hours, the market is up about 11.67%. Why is that? Well, people are starting to transition and buy the dip, obviously, as we're getting more news. But obviously, another thing is a lot of people are trying to transition, especially in the areas that are getting affected by, the political stuff that is going on right now. Ukraine has been getting a lot of donations, and it's in cryptocurrencies. That's another catalyst right there that is pushing crypto even higher, and that's a positive thing. As we see, Bitcoin is up almost 14% just in the past 24 hours, which is just insane to think about. A 14% move on something like that. 38.1 billion market cap on Bitcoin, 19.8 billion on Ethereum. Ethereum's up about 11%. So Bitcoin back into the 43,000 range. If we can get past that 45,000 area, we could continue to, jump on higher. Ethereum at around 2,900 right now. We see altcoins are rallying as well. So obviously if Bitcoin's up, 10%, altcoins are going to be up 10 plus percent. We see Binance Coin up 9%, Ripple's up 7%. Luna still making a nice run here. Luna, I believe, is up over 100% here in the past week or so, up about 24% right now. Cardano 10%, Solana almost 12% right there. Avalanche at over 19%, and we see many other ones that are up about 10% or so, with some outliers that are even marching towards 15 to 20%. On the second list right here, we see NEO up 20%. Waves is up over 41.22%. This is not a coin that I've been looking into, but this is a massive move to see. So let's actually take a quick look to see with this one, from that move down here. It was trading at around $7. Now it's at 17. That's a nice move right there for this one as well. But guys, before we get into this content, into the top 3 altcoins to buy here in the month of March, let's go and smash that like button for me. So aim for 50 plus likes, guys. Let's aim for 50 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, let's get into it. So crypto bubbles here in the past 7 days, we're looking kind of nice now. We're seeing a turnaround here in the past 7 days, looking good. We see some big winners, like we said. Waves, one of the big winners at 104% gain right there. We see Luna up over 79% here in the past week or so. We have here Cream Finance up over 76%. Another one here, Bread is up over 69% or so. And we have some other big winners here. Voxys is up 72.8%. Polymath is up about 51% or so, and we're seeing some big winners here, guys. Things are starting to turn back around, and we're seeing some bullish type sentiment going on in the market, which is definitely a positive sign for everybody that is into crypto. There was a buy the dip opportunity, and if you took that opportunity, you could be making some decent gains right now. So let's get into the first coin. First coin, it's going to be Ftx Token. So FTT, this one has been, very popular in the recent times, especially around the Super Bowl time period. This one got some traction. Currently trading at $46.01. It's up about 10% from lows of $41 to the highs of about $46 right now, just in the past 24 hours. And then the past week, we're up about 16%. Past month, this one is up 12% with those lows down here at around $35 or so almost. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 53%, which is definitely nice to see. Now, on the all-time chart, we saw a lot of movement here happening in end of 2020, where the coin went from about $4.51. If you would have got in at around this December time period in 2020, you could have made about 1,000% profit on this coin. As it continued to hit higher highs here in 2021 at $60, pulled back down to about 24, hitting new highs here in 2021 of about September time period at around $80 or so. And then ever since then, we've been seeing a pullback all the way down here to lows of about 30 almost. And now a little bit of a rebound. So market cap currently 6.3 billion on this coin. Volume is at 184.5 million, which is up about 64% higher than usual. We have the all-time high at $85, like we said. But this one definitely has some potential here as we've been bouncing back and forth. If we can break through this resistance area that is around this, $48 range, if we can break through that $48 to $50 range, we could continue to push on higher and higher, all the way to, mid 50s and possibly even the 60s, which is definitely an opportunity right there for the long term. So definitely a coin that we're going to be watching for potential run-ups in the near future. So FTX Token coming in the number 1 spot. Number 2 on this list is going to be Polkadot DOT. This one is a runner here in recent times. So here in the past 24 hours, it's up about 8%. We're trading at $18.62. Now on the 1 week chart, this one is up about 17% with lows of $14 at the 1 point. 1 month chart, we're trading flat actually. And then on the 1 year chart, we're actually down about 47%, but that's because we had a massive run here in the beginning of 2020 2021. So we obviously saw everything in 2021 here, end of the 2020 into 2021, everything started to push on higher and higher. So we run from $5 all the way up here to highs of about $40, continue to push on higher and higher here in May of 2021 at around $50, pulled back down with the market to lows of about $10, and then from that $10 range, we actually hit a new high of $55 in November, which is a massive gain right there, about a 400% gain, and then from that $55 range, we went all the way down to under $15, which is insane. This coin lost so much of its value from that level. I mean, we were trading at around what? Possibly around a 50 billion market cap, and we went all the way down to about a 15 billion market cap. So a huge loss. We bounced off of a previous support level, and now we're hoping for it to run past that $20 range and continue to push on higher. Market cap 18.5 billion right now. Volume is up 50% almost at 2 billion. We have 60-day typical hold time, is ranked the number 8 coin on the list. So it's in the top 10, which is a positive sign. We have 69% buy activity, 31% sell activity. Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as a protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or to connect new chains. So Polkadot, definitely an interesting coin to be adding to your radar, guys. And there's so much upside potential, over 150% upside potential, just to get back to the all-time high area that we were trading at here in November. So Polkadot number 2, and then last but not least, coming at the number 3 spot is going to be crypto.com. So Crow, obviously one of the bigger coins, definitely a big winner towards the end of 2021 into 2022. This one is up about 12% right now, trading at 44 cents. Past week, we're up about 19%, with lows at one point at 35 cents. That was a major opportunity. On the 1 month chart, we're up about 4.5%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up about 197%, guys. So still, even with this huge dip, this coin is up almost 200%, from 16 cents to lows down here of under 10 cents to about 8 cents. And then we saw the huge rally in October from about 20 cents all the way to highs of about $1. So about a 500% profit in a matter of about 3 or 4 weeks. Now, from that 99 cents area high, we pulled back down, like we said, to about 35 cents or so. Big pullback, and now we have that opportunity to create a nice support, strong support level here, bounce off of it, break through the 50 cents area, continue to push on higher into the 60s, and then after the 60s, it's all-time high. So here we go, 11.2 billion market cap. We were trading at a 25 billion market cap just a few months ago. Volume is up 74% at 155.5 million. So volume could definitely get a little boost. 57-day typical hold time. It is ranked the number 14 coin. We have 60% buy activity, 40% sell activity on crypto.com. Obviously, they bought the naming rights to the stadium, so we have a stadium already that is getting a lot of advertisements and different things like that are potentially going to push this one to continue to go higher and higher in the near future. I believe that this is a great opportunity to buy the dip, as we've been talking about this dip buying opportunity for the past few weeks, and right now could definitely be a nice opportunity, because you don't want to buy as it is dipping. You want to buy it once you start to see a little bit of a turnaround, a little bit of a consolidation, I guess you could say, as you might be seeing a rally. So definitely an opportunity right now with crypto.com, in my opinion, and something to be watching very, very closely, guys. So those are the 3 altcoins. Now we're going to be looking at everything else and seeing how the rest of the market is performing. So Dogecoin, the meme, we always talk about it. Dogecoin and Shiba, both trading about 7 to 8% profit right there. Dogecoin in the 13 cents range. Then we have the big dog, obviously Bitcoin, up 14% from lows of 37,000 to highs up here of almost over 44,000 at one point, which is incredible. In the past week, we're actually, up about 18% from 34K to 44K. That's a $10,000 jump right there. So this just proves to you guys that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general can start to rally at any point. There's no limit on this one. They can just continue to rally and higher. We're up 14% the past month. Past year, we're still down about 12.9%, but that is because we were at all-time highs pretty much trading at that point in the beginning of 2021. So it looks like, we're down, but we're actually doing very, very well from these lows. So if we can break, like I said, if we can break through this 44 to 45,000 area, that is a huge resistance area that we have not been able to break through in the past. If we can, break through that into the 46,000 plus, we could continue to go all the way to 50,000 before we hit that next resistance level. And that's going to be a beautiful thing for Bitcoin. 821.7 billion market cap, 35% of crypto market space, 71% buy, 29% sell activity. Volume is up 50% higher at 38.1 billion. We haven't seen volume like that in a while, and typical hold time is 102 days. We have Ethereum here next up on the list, and this one obviously huge fluctuation as well, up 11%. Past week we're up 15% from lows down here of about 2,300, and then on the 1 month chart, obviously lows of under 2,300 at one point, up about 15% right now. So we've been bouncing back and forth off of these levels. If we can get through that $3,000, 3,100 level, we could continue to push on higher and higher, potentially towards the 40 or 3,400 level. And we're still up over 85% here in the past year, which is still beautiful. And we're only about $2,000 away from the all-time high area. Market cap 350.6 billion, 15% of the crypto market space. Volumes up 18% at around 20 billion right now. 64% buy activity, 36% sell activity. It is ranked the number 2 coin right behind Bitcoin. But in the future, I believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum will flip-flop, and Ethereum will be the number 1 coin in the world. That is just my personal opinion, guys. So, guys, let me know in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen in the crypto space here in the near future? Do you think this rally is going to, start a new bull market in cryptocurrencies? And could this be the start of it? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me, guys, if you enjoyed this type of content. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.